Good day, here's the latest news for today. Provincial Task Force Chief Dr. Jerry Kalingasan gladly announced during the provincial capital's 33rd virtual flag raising ceremony that on the month of November, the number of COVID-19 cases in Misamis Oriental reduced as compared to the previous month. Ethel Ipanag for the story.
Yes, Jing. According to Dr. Kalingasan, that in the entire month of November, there were only 192 cases reported in the province, compared to 392 total reported cases on October this year. Meanwhile, in the municipality of Taguluan, only has one positive left in their municipal isolation unit after the team implemented a tighter health and security protocols. In addition, Dr. Kalingasan congratulated 10 municipalities which are now zero COVID-19 case.
We have 10 municipalities now with 0 cases.
He also added that we should always avoid the safety and health protocols such as wearing a face mask, face shields, and observe social distancing rather than relying on the upcoming COVID-19 vaccine. As such, this will continue flatten the curve. Jing, Governor Bambi Imano has also repeatedly stating that if the proper guidelines for prevention of this deadly virus are followed, it is certain that the province will win the fight against COVID-19. This is Ethel Ipanag aimed towards a clean and honest governance, reporting for the province of Misamis Oriental. Jing.
Thanks, Ethel. In another development, to give protection to our frontliners, former Senator Bongbong Marcos donated face masks, face shields, and PPE suits for the 8 Misamis Oriental provincial hospitals. Here's Mark Semanya for the details.
Jing, just like what the World Health Organization believes, the health worker safety and patient safety are inseparable, and the world's ability to successfully fight coronavirus pandemic depends on our ability to safeguard health workers. Even though he's no longer in a government position, former Senator Bongbong Marcos, along with Thinking Pinoy, continue to provide public service in the entire country. And in Misamis Oriental, by donating 8,000 pieces face shields, 4,000 pieces surgical masks, 160 N95 masks, and 40 PPE suits to the Misamis Oriental provincial hospitals. The ceremonial turnover of these protective gears happened on the 33rd virtual flag raising ceremony of the provincial capital on Tuesday, December 1 of the year 2020. This is through Attorney Christine Ravanera and Attorney Jay Bago, the representatives of former Senator Bongbong Marcos. It was formally accepted by the provincial government headed by Governor Bambi Imano and the Chief of the Provincial Task Force for COVID-19, Dr. Jerry Kalingasan, that will immediately be distributed to the frontliners in the 8 hospitals in the province. And according to Governor Bambi Imano, that the assistance provided by former Senator is indeed a big help to the province, because instead of buying these very important things, the fund allocated for this will be used to buy medicines and other necessities in the hospitals. Governor Bambi Imano would like to extend his gratefulness on behalf of the people of Misamis Oriental to former Senator Marcos, as this will absolutely help to protect our frontliners as we continue to fight COVID-19. This is Mark Semanya aimed towards a clean and honest governance, reporting for the province of Misamis Oriental. Jing?
Thanks, Mark, and that is the latest news for today. For more updates, please visit the Misamis Oriental Provincial Information Facebook page. Once again, I'm Jean Karasit. Good day.